Hey YouTube, how we doing? My wife and Kix here. So excited to bring you another unboxing video. Switch things up a little bit. I've got a bit of a new setup. I've got a couple of studio lights happening. I've also got a backdrop and I've got a little overhead cam going as well. Just really my cell phone. But yeah, I'm gonna bring you a quick unboxing video from my friends in Denmark. And hopefully with this new equipment that I've invested into, I'm going to get to bring you a few more videos more regularly, and yeah, we'll see how that goes. But here it is. Let's cut into this box over here. It's probably too small to be able to see those details, so I'm not really worried about covering that up. It's not my home address anyway. So double boxed, as it always should be. Bubble wrap for extra measures. And then there's a little visual elite of Arkk with their handwritten note, which is cool. And let's get into it. Clean up the mess. Chuck that down there. Get rid of that for safety reasons, because it's a massive blade, of course. So here it is. You can see the sizing and details and things on that. Just the regular Arkk Copenhagen box. Not from the Superior line, but I kind of like the smaller boxes because the big boxes get really painful to store. But anyways, let's get into it. Always got a little Arkk note in there. Arkk branded tissue paper, of course. And here it is. This is the Spyqon, and they call this colorway the black Roebuck or Roebuck. But anyways, it's a cool shoe. Give you a little view of the shoe there. Excuse me if I keep looking in this direction. It's because I got my camera on my computer screen to get a review. I'm pretty stoked with my setup, to be honest. I'm pretty stoked, but I need to be a bit more professional and make sure I'm looking straight at the camera. So here's the shoe. It's a full black. It's the knitted upper, the future grid upper, with the contrasting little bits. The cool thing about the shoes, they're not actually laces. You just pull them on. And yeah, the outsole is contrasted as well as the little detail on the heel. I had the shoe, the army green sort of version, in a 43, which I think is like it's like closer to a US 10, but I've gone with a 42, which is nicer. I feel like on this shoe you need quite a snug fit just because of the ankle sort of area over here. I don't have the biggest ankles, and so I like this to try and fit a bit tight as well, so I went down with this down to 42, which fits really snug. I'm normally like a size 9 anyway, or like a 9.5, but another cool little detail is Arkk have done these shoe trees with the Arkk branding, of course, and it's got like a little hole for your fingers, so they're like easier to put in and out. Just the small details, but it all makes a difference. So here's the shoe. I'm not going to show you an on feet video in this one, but obviously I'll have some photos coming up on Instagram, and watch out for an on feet video here as well on the channel. Anyway guys, this is a little look at the shoe unboxed. These are dropping on a date that I cannot remember. I believe it's like the 31st of Jan, 1 PM Central European time, but the details will be in the description. I'm pretty sure that's right. But yeah, head over to arkcopenhagen.com, grab yourself a pair. Great shoe. Well anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I enjoyed making it because I got a new setup, and so hopefully I've been making some more setups, making some more videos because of my setup. That's it for me guys. Catch you later.